So hello people, I welcome you back to another coin video, and today's what did I get? But as normal, as usual, I like to actually look at the stamps I actually send with the actual coins. So these packages from Thailand, and we have some stamps here. They're notified in baht, and as you can see the highest value is actually 100 baht, which is about $5, so 20 baht is $1. And it has, looks like King Rama the 9th. So, can we see? And that's the 6th cycle birthday anniversary, 1999. Then we have some flowers. As you can see, they all have English as well. 1991, 5 baht. So it's really not worth collecting these stamps, but actually quite interesting. I do actually keep all these, and then we have a whole lot of 1 baht, so that's about 5 cents of stamps. And on the reverse, we have a naval ship, HTMS, so here's Thai something ship, looks like an aircraft carrier. And that's from 2014, 5 baht. And then we have another one here, 1991. The pattern, Korakaki. Anyway, here we have another stamp from, does it have the date on it? Not too sure. But, looks like, yeah, I'm not too sure who that is. Anyway, we have some more 1 baht stamps, so that's nice. So, that package was probably cost about $10 to actually send. Actually, no, probably about 15. So this is a good way to actually package your items. So I just cut it open already, so it's actually just cardboard. And then inside we have a sealed. So this is vacuum sealed, and it's been folded over as well. And we'll see what coins I actually have. I'll open it up. So when you send coins, it's good to actually send them something like this. So here I have a knife. Open this up. And don't worry about the coronavirus. It usually doesn't survive 1 day outside of a host. Humans are a host. So yeah, I'm not too concerned about these actually having any viable viruses. So even if they last like 3 or 4 days, it takes a lot longer than 3 or 4 days to actually post something from Thailand to Australia. Posting from Australia to Australia, well, you know, that actually does take a few days as well. So I'm not really concerned about any contamination. Maybe bacteria can survive a lot longer outside of a host, because it doesn't need a host for reproduction, it needs a host for food. So anyway, getting a bit off track. So as you can see, I've got Cambodian, Indian, Bangladeshi, got some Maldives and Afghan, and some Bhutanese. So I'll open it up. Actually, I'd like to keep this. I need to get one of these items because, you know, I need to cut it. So here comes my scissors. And when you cut it, the air's going to go in. And then, so you can see. There you go, the coins start falling. So some of these I've got for my collection. Some of these I have got to resell. And the first one I got, so one of these for my collection, another one is to resell, is Afghan. So this is a 1352, so I think 1973. And it is a 5 Afghani. So if I zoom in, 5 Afghani coin. These looks like they've been in circulation. This is the old Afghani, so they no longer use these coins. And it has the coat of arms, the eagle. And then we have, another coin. So this is 1341. And this has Muhammad Zahir Shah, so he was the actual king at the time. And yes, before, I believe, 1973 or something like that, Afghanistan used to be a kingdom. And this is the first 5 Afghanis, because these are called Afghanis. And as you can see, on all types, pretty much the reverse of the coin is the same. So this is the first 5 Afghanis that was issued in nickel-plated steel. So this should actually be magnetic. And there is no mintage figures for this, but you can actually pick these up quite easily. And the other one that I have, so what date is this one? So this one is dated 1381, is that it? Looks like 1381. This one's dated 1352. But this date is actually 1973, so it was actually correct first. And this is copper nickel clad steel, so this should also be magnetic. And if you ever see rusting on the side like that, it's the steel. So as you can see, it's turned black. And I've got 2 of these, so you can see this bottom coin's nice, but these ones actually started to degrade. So 1973, and I pretty much picked these up for like $2 each, which is actually a good buy. I remember when I used to buy Afghan coins, I think 10-15 years ago, these are actually quite expensive to get themselves. But the market changes, things go up and down, and this is one of the things that have actually gone down. So what's in the next coin? Okay, so we have the new Maldives to rupiah. So this is worth about 20 cents exchange rate. You can pick these up for like $4 or $5 each. Has a conch shell, date 2017. And these actually replaced a brass coin. So they were actually going to issue a bimetal 5 rupiah, but they changed that to a plastic polymer banknote, which is actually better. So that's actually nice. So they're actually nice coins to actually get. No milling on the side. Let's see if we can get that light better. Okay, so there you go. So that is 2 rupiah. Not a bad coin itself. Here's another 5 Afghanis. Put those to the side. Then we have Bangladesh. So I don't really have any Bangladesh coins before this one. So let's see what I got. I think I got 1, 2, and 5. Yeah, I got 2, 2, 2, and 5 taka coins. So it should be one more. So let's move those around there. So we got the 1 taka coin, current circulation. Has I forget that guy's name. He's the independence leader of Bangladesh. Okay, I just found him. His name is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and in Australian dollars, this coin is worth roughly 2 cents. So 50 taka equals $1. So and here's the coat of arms of Bangladesh on this side. Octagon with the national emblem of Bangladesh, a water lily. So that's a water lily bordered on sides by rice, so that's rice leaves on there. So there's water down below. Above a 3-leafed clover of tea leaves. So we're talking about up there, that's a tea leaf. And 4 stars representing the 4 principles of the first constitution of Bangladesh of 1972. There's nationalism, secularism, socialism, and democracy. So it's supposed to be a socialist, democratic, secular country. And here we have the 2 taka. So these are all pretty much the same design. They're all stainless steel, and they don't really... Yeah, that one's actually a bit better. 1 taka is better with the design. That's just an outline. It looks pretty terrible actually, so it's a different mint. So it's 500 million at 1 taka. 2 taka, there are There are not mintage figures for all of these coins. The 2 taka of 2013 is actually a lot better. But this one, there's no mintage figures for the 2 taka. And then we have the 5 taka. And as you can see, has a better border around the actual image. And this is 2012. And then we have on this side, and this is just the logo or the coat of arms or whatever you want to call it of the Bank of Bangladesh, and has the value down the bottom, and it just has Bangladesh up the top. So that's basically it. This is pretty much a stainless steel clad iron. If you go to Bangladesh, as you can see the side, looks actually quite nice reading. If you go to Bangladesh, you get this face value. An exchange rate is only like 16 cents, but you can probably get these for a few dollars, so $2 to $3. That's how much those coins actually cost. So yes, and then we have, I've shown this before, so we have Bhutan 1979 coins, but there's the 5 and 10 chertums, and I've explained this before what's actually on these coins, but the one I wanted was these two. So here we have the 25 chertums, which I don't actually have, and it's a good set to my collection, and one the Goldrum. So this is actually quite a large coin, larger than the Indian coins of the time, and it has the symbols of all the things that are revered in Buddhism. 1979. So this one you're probably paying about $4 to $5 per coin. That's generally how much these coins actually cost. Then I have the... Didn't I get them all? Okay, I got the new coin series of Sri Lanka. And as you can see, these are all stainless steel. So the 1 rupee, which is less than 1 cent, and is the smallest coin. Had 2017 as a coat of arms. Is that one double struck? There's something wrong with the date there, so I need to look that up a bit more. Then we have the 2 rupees. So this actually has Spanish milling, which is on the €2 and the 20-cent coin of New Zealand, coat of arms. Then we have the 5 rupees. So these are probably minted in the hundreds of millions. So really nothing special, just something to add to your collection if you don't have it. And here we have the highest coin, the 10 rupees. It used to be a bimetal coin, but now it's just a small silver coin. And then we have India. So where's the... Okay. So these are the commemorative coins, Reserve Bank of India. So what do they commemorate? Looks like they commemorate the Reserve Bank of India. Seems a bit weird. That would be 85 years. So, and then we have the tiger, which used to be on the coat of arms. Have a banknotes, not the coat of arms. You have a banknotes. This is a coat of arms here. Yes, Soka pillar. So we have the 10 rupee, the 2 rupee. We have the 1 rupee, and then we have the 5 rupee. Oh, this light's pretty bad. So let's make it a bit better. So those are the coins there. So these ones probably cost about $5 each. That's what you'll be actually paying for them. These are just commemorative ones issued in circulation 2010, but these coins are slowly being replaced. And the last set I got is Cambodia. So we have 5, 50, 100, 200, and the 500 reals. So these are no longer used. They were issued in 1994. but they've been replaced by banknotes. And if you know and collect Cambodian banknotes, you know that the latest one is the 100 real, which is the lowest as well. But these ones you could probably buy for about $4 to $5 per set. So they're actually not that rare, very common. And I just got 2 sets anyway. So that is my latest haul. I know the video's not that good, but anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching and have an awesome coin collecting time. Thank you and bye bye.